Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. My name is Raja Muhammad Amir Ashraf bin Raja Azmi from class EMD 6M3A, and I would like to present my idea for this project by using Arduino Uno R3. The concept of my idea is to count and control the number of people enter and exit a grocery store. Hence, the suitable title for my idea is SOP Human Counter. Currently, we all know that the outbreak of the pandemic is happening everywhere around the world, so that everyone needs to show the commitment by following the rules that provided specifically by the organization in charge. By that consideration, social distancing is essential, especially at the crowded place. The reason why I choose grocery store or small shop over the supermarket or shopping complex is because it is more controllable and easier to handle the number of people entering the shop. Besides, I can estimate and minimize the range number of people so that the social distancing can be achieved successfully. As you can see here, there are 5 components that are essentially involved, which are Arduino Uno R3, 2 PIR sensors, one for out and one for in. Then LCD, potentiometer that are used to measure the EMF, and the resistor, which are set as 220 ohms. Next, we look to the coded program where you can see the setup of input and output. Then we go to the void loop, and we can see here the LCD setup where I have set up that if the people come into the grocery store is 10 and over, the LCD print will show please wait. Meanwhile, when the sensor of in deduct the number of people until 10 and below, the LCD print will show welcome here. Now I'm going to show you how the circuit system is working. Firstly, let's start this simulation. Okay, we can see here the output. When the PIR sensor will detect the movement of people who pass the diameter range of the sensor outside of the shop. At the meantime, the LCD wall will count number of people who enter the shop. As we can see here, the number of people in LCD will be added once there is a movement of people around the range of the PIR sensors. The program system will continue appear the word welcome here as long as the number of people does not exceedingly more than requirement, which is 10. Then we need to set up the maximum requirement for number of people at this part the code. For this, I have set up the requirement for 10 people as estimation, besides to fit the social distancing rules. This means that after the counting number exceed than 10, now we are at the number 8. After the counting number exceeds 10, the board on LCD will show please wait. This way as a reminder that the shop is already exceed the requirement to enter the shop. However, The function of the PIR sensor which tag in will deduct the number of people who pass the sensor. As we can see here, when the movement of people at this range of sensor, the number of people in will deduct as long as it is below than 10. It will show the sign welcome here. This concept is easy and save time for employee from monitoring the customer entering the store. That's all for me. Thank you.